Good morning, my fellow traders. How are you all? How was your news trades yesterday? I really hope that it was all good. It was a bit unexpected. Well, I mean, it was expected that they won't change anything, but I mean, the moves, on the market. Okay, so let's have a look at what has happened during Asian session. Okay. So what do we see here? Aussie. Well, the price did go up. During the Asian session, don't see anything to sell it at the moment. Okay, so some sort of let's have a look at one-day chart. What is happening there? Okay, so the price is possibly going to, well, as you can see, yesterday's candle, how it was closed yesterday, as you can see here, it is a reversal candle, but we must have a confirmation before the price will drop. So will it drop or not? It all depends on the market, of course. So yesterday's news didn't support dollar, but they didn't support any other currency as well. So that's what the main idea. So I mean, the Aussie can actually drop. And for now, I would say that the level of yesterday's high is the level to watch. In case if the price will close above, then it will go further to 0.77. And then there will be another situation. We'll have to review it around this area. So let's switch back to 15 minutes. 15 minutes to be too much. So 1 hour is better. Okay, so this level here is the level to watch, 0.5678. It might be a good sell on the first bounce, by the way. Might be not, so we'll see. I guess that we'll be able to see it when the London will open. So when London session will start, we'll be able to see where it will move. Normally the first 15 minutes are showing us where the price is going to move next. Just a second. So okay. My next webinar will be in 3 hours. So I'm just checking, is it the right time? So I have to check it first. Okay. And yes, it will be. 9 o'clock London time. So that's, you'll be able to see me here on YouTube as well. It will be a big one, so I'll talk about markets first, then I'll talk about some kind of theory. I'll decide what to talk about a bit later on. Okay, so Aussie, at the moment, don't see anything at all. So it's always better to watch like 1 hour chart because you'll have a better picture with 1 hour chart. Okay, so euro pound. What do we have here? What do we have here? All right, the price is going up at the moment. So what kind of levels? Let me switch to 1 day chart. What is possible? What is possible? Okay, so yes, it actually might be a continuation of the further up move. So the price can actually go towards this level here. So somewhere around this area. Just a second. Okay. So the price can actually continue its up movement towards here. Not necessary it will, because we do see a very, well, it has been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days in a range. So it's more than a week, almost 2 weeks. And if we'll switch to 1 hour chart, you'll be able to see it clearer. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, so all these kind of weeks, peaks around this area. So the price can actually, in case if it will break through this level here, then it will possibly continue its up movement towards the level I've mentioned. But as you can see, the price is in the range, and the possibility of breaking down as well is possible, but the price is going up at the moment. So what we shall look at this level first. So in case of the price will break through it, then it will continue its up movement towards the level I've mentioned. Of course, it doesn't mean that you'll just simply have to buy it and that's it. Always use proper approach to trading, always. So I'm just writing that you can actually ask me any questions, we'll answer. Okay, so that's basically what it is about euro pound. So the price is in a range at the moment. It is going up And the first target is just here, well, 0.843. And this is it for now. All right. Well, it might be here as well. As you can see, well, we do have a volume weighted area around 0.841. And what is possible is that the price will actually bounce off this area, probably will give us a wick towards here, and then it will go down. But we have to wait to see if it's true or not. Okay, so euro dollar. Fine, so the price has almost reached, it's actually reached this level here, 1.10774, very strong level. Well, weighted with volume, well, you can actually see it here. So we do have a congestion around this area. I'm sure we have a stop losses just above it. So probably what can actually happen here? All right, so the price did go down for a while now. Okay, it might be. Okay, so what we have to watch, what levels? First is this one. So in case of this area will be broken, so the price will continue its up movement towards here. So to make it a bit easier to understand, I'll try to make it easier for you guys. Okay, look, so we do have a kind of down moving market for quite a while at the moment here. So the price is going down, so it was like, well, so let's don't want to go into details at the moment, so let me put just a fib retracement. It's not something what I trade, as you can see, but just for analysis it's all right. I mean, you'll be able to kind of understand what we are waiting for. So the first level that I've mentioned is here, so it's 1.1075. 1077, it's 23.6 FIBA. So I do believe that retracement will go a bit further. So we actually already had a retracement with this FIBA, as you can see. It was 38.2. So now, but this zero level has not been triggered yet. So it means that we might have like a third correctional wave. So it was the first one, second, and the third one will trigger 0.5. So that is something what is actually possible. Not sure in it. We have to watch the price action every day, but what is happening now? So we did have kind of, well, yesterday and before no, we did have like 2 days before, it was a signaling day. So basically it was a reversal day, possible reversal day. And yesterday we did have a confirmation for it. So it's a 1-day chart, yeah? As you can see it here. So it does mean that the price is going to go up. So in case if it's break through this level here, so through these highs, it will get to these highs here. So clearing these highs will possibly lead price to 0.5. So I will be counting the levels all the time, so every day, and few times a day actually. So when the price will get there, basically we'll have a volume weighted area around. So it will be plot on the screen, on the chart, so you'll be able to see a clear levels that are not based on FIBOs or on historical highs and lows, etc. So that's what it is. We might have a good buying opportunity, but what would I do? Well, it's Thursday today. Tomorrow it's Friday. So I would wait till Monday to see how the week will be closed, and then I will decide what to do with it. So what is possibly going to happen? Let me switch to 1 week chart. So in case if we have an engulfing here, so it might be a good reversal. So let me, again, FIBO is not something what I trade, but it just gives a brief idea on how long the price has already gone through. All right, so the price has actually bounced off 0.618. Yes, and it is a very high possibility that the price will continue its up movement at the moment. This is something what is possible, not necessary it will happen. And it's a weekly chart. You can imagine how much noise can be there during the week time, during the next one. So it's not something what we can trade, but we always have to look at it as well. So let me switch back to 1 hour chart. Okay, so that's what we see here now. We saw a reversal around this area, and the price is possibly going to kind of give us a correction towards somewhere around this area. So I will count the levels within an hour. So we'll see what is happening in a different way. Okay. Pound. It actually reversed at this area. Well, you can see it has been like for 3 sessions there. So it's 1.322. The price is going down at the moment. What can happen here? So let me switch to 4 hour chart. Yeah, so it is possible that the price will just simply continue its down movement. So basically, as you can see, talking about the market around here, well, this part of the kind of period, this period, what we can see. So basically the price did move down for all this time. So it was up and down, but down in general. So what do we have now? So in one way, we do have like a trigger of this. I think it will be somewhere around here. Well, basically somewhere around here, it is a kind of reversal area. So the price is going down. But in the other hand, what do we see here? So we did have a very good range around this area for a few days. And the price has actually broken through this range. And now it's corrected back to it. And it does look like the possibility of up movement is still possible. So that's kind of 2 things we might consider. I don't see any particular patterns at the moment. Well, it does look like a selling pattern, but as you can see, we have broken through this channel here, out of this channel here. So the possibility is that the price will just simply continue its up movement now. So we'll have like another reversal candle here, and it will break through this level here and will continue its up movement towards 1.341 at least. 345, this area. So that's something to be considered. All right. Kiwi. It's 4 hour chart. Don't see any price patterns at the moment. The price did bounce off this level here. As you can see, that's something what is happening with the pound at the moment. So, well, we do don't see this kind of patterns in the past here, but well, that's something what has happening with the pound. So we do have a range. It has been broken through it, then it's corrected almost back to it. Well, here with these wicks, it has been corrected towards this channel, and it was a good entry here. I mean, it was a possible entry, let's put it this way. Okay, and the price is just going up at the moment. So we do see that the price slows down, so a heavier correction is possible, but we just have to look at it and watch it. Fine, good, good. Okay, let me switch to 1 hour, back to 1 hour. Okay, the price is going up now, right. Well, we can measure this wave here with Fibo, just to have a brief view of what is possibly going to happen, where the price is heading to. All right, so the price, I believe that the price is heading to 50% here. So it might actually get to this 0.71381 level. So these levels here, as you can see, so we do have them. Okay, and I will count the levels within an hour, so you'll be able to watch it. All right. Okay, so New Zealand dollar CAD, Canadian. Okay. What's that? This is a target, so it's just in case when the price will kind of go down here, and it is actually possible. So what I drawn here before, it was like a possible head and shoulders pattern, something what can possibly happen here actually. So one shoulder head, another shoulder, in case if the price will bounce off this level here. So what do we see here? Where are the wicks? Didn't reach this area, but it's not necessary to be reached actually, and it's 1 day chart, and we do have a reversal pattern here. In case if today will not will not continue its up movement or will not reverse during the day, the price will not reverse during the day, then the price will possibly continue its down movement towards this level here, which is just low, this low, 1.25. And in case if it will break through it, then I have, well, it's a classical measure, of course. It doesn't mean that it will happen, but just potentially this 1.05 level can be reached. So might be a good idea to sell it, but I would wait again for these kind of moves, you know, and if you're expecting it to go that far, then it's better to wait till the week end and then try to use it in your favor. Let's see how the week will be closed. If we have a reversal pattern here, then I would use it, and I will. Okie dokie. 1 hour chart. You see what is happening during the news? So the situation is actually changing. So that is good. That's something what I like. It means that we can now start trading, a proper trading. Not gambling. All right. So what do we have here? It's Frankie. Okay. Don't really like what I see here. Well, the price has retraced back to these levels here, as you can see. So what can actually happen that the price can break through them and continue its down movement towards these lows here. It also can just simply bounce off this level now and continue its up movement. So we must watch a price action. I wouldn't recommend you to enter the market now to try to buy it from here. I might be wrong, but that's something I would not recommend to do. Okay. So it's dollar yen, the price is going down. It has been expected that it will go down. Yesterday, these levels has been triggered. So this and this previous one as well. So and the price is just simply going down. So as you can see, I did have this scenario here, and that's what is happening. So where the price is heading to, well, what can we see here? It actually might be this low here, to be honest. Yes, it's 1 hour chart, dollar yen, 1 hour chart. Okay, what is it here? So we do see some kind of, well, 1 hour is not, well, during this kind of situation, well, I mean, we did have some moves yesterday, you know, so the only way to trade reversals is during the beginning of London session. So in case if it won't reverse, then just don't try to catch this, you know, counter trade. I would say it's not counter trend trade, it's counter price trade, because, well, the trend direction is well, it's already down actually. So it's counter trend as well. So we do have a few data points to place a trend here, trend line, so it is down at the moment. Is it possible that the price will bounce off this level here? Well, not sure, to be honest. It can actually just continue its down movement. Might be wrong, of course. So the target, in case if it will continue its down movement, the target will be 103.993. All right. It's good to have a direction in the market. So we'll see. I guess that if you're confused or if you probably lost something yesterday, then, well, that's not a big problem because, well, you'll be able to make all this money back during the price movement, the proper price movement in one direction, you know, so just don't worry. Okay, what do we see here? Well, for now, the price is going down. The price has bounced off this level. Well, as you can see, I don't really like how it moves. So we might have a few ranges here. Doesn't mean that the price will continue its down movement towards here. That's something what I'm expecting, but doesn't mean that I'm right. So don't see any price patterns here. Good for you guys if someone of you have traded yesterday with a limit order this level here. So Good for you guys, good for you. Let's have a look at gold. Well, gold, I missed it, so have been waiting for a retracement towards here, but then I wanted to see a so this level I've been waiting for, and it was triggered, as you can see, with this wick. See, but unfortunately that's not the way I trade news, so I was unable to enter it. Okay, it does look like the price is going just simply to continue its up movement, and that's something what has been expected here. So it will possibly give us some kind of a week towards 133.2.5 area. So let me place it here just for you to free 2.5. So somewhere around here we might have a week, but I'm not sure that it will happen, to be honest. That's not normal for gold to give us this kind of jokes, you know. All right, so the price is possibly just going to continue its up movement, and the target will be, let me switch to one-day chart to have a look at it. Well, yes, it was a reversal pattern confirmation, so well, it's actually possible. Maybe during not today, but like on Monday. So we have to watch what is going to happen today here. So, but it does look like the price has gone out of this range here that has been for a few days, and it just will continue its up movement. So that's good. That's good for us. We can wait till this week will be finished, and then we'll see. We'll probably have some kind of short-term reversal tomorrow, like intraday, I would say. Okay, and then we'll possibly be able to okay, and then we'll possibly be able to buy it a bit deeper here. So just watch the price action and what is happening on the market with the price. Okie dokie. So that's about my view on the market. So let me place all the levels on the chart, then I will share it with you guys so you can follow me on TradingView. Okay, I'll see you later, guys. Have a great day. Have a good trading today. I do believe that the direction is not going to change, and you'll be able to trade in this direction, and you'll be able to catch some good moves today, guys. Okay, have a great day today, and I'll see you. It's now 2.5 hours. Bye bye.